All right, let's jump right into this explainer. Picture this. We're standing at a literal digital crossroads right now. In one hand, you've got a physical hardware wallet, completely disconnected from the internet, totally in your control. In the other hand, you're holding your smartphone, open to your everyday stock brokerage app. Both of these offer a path to the exact same asset, but they represent two entirely different philosophies of wealth management.
So, which route is actually right for you? We're diving into the massive shift brought on by the SEC's approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs to help you figure out exactly which secure path matches your personal technical comfort level and, of course, your long-term retirement goals. For a really long time, the only real way to get exposure was to brave the complex world of crypto exchanges all by yourself. But now, the landscape has fundamentally changed.
Here is our roadmap for today. 1. The investment crossroads. 2. Direct custody for total control. 3. Spot ETFs for simple security. 4. Tax advantages and IRAs. 5. Weighing the trade-offs. And finally, 6. Making your choice. Let's get to it.
Section 1. The investment crossroads and the evolution of access.
Okay, so back in January 2024, the SEC officially approved spot Bitcoin ETFs. What does that actually mean for us? It means you can now buy an investment vehicle that tracks the real-time price of Bitcoin, and you can trade it on regulated stock exchanges just like you're buying a share of Apple or Microsoft. Behind the scenes, these funds are holding actual Bitcoin in highly secure, institutional-grade custodian vaults. Basically, you get the price exposure without ever having to directly buy or hold the cryptocurrency yourself.
I really love this analogy. Think of the ETF abstraction kind of like this. If Bitcoin were a super rare collectible, a Bitcoin ETF would be a museum exhibit. You don't own the collectible itself, right? But you do have shares in the museum that expertly manages and displays it. You're getting the financial exposure on a regulated exchange, which completely removes the headache of setting up digital wallets, memorizing complicated seed phrases, or dealing with crypto exchanges.
Moving on to Section 2, direct custody and total control.
Now, direct custody is an entirely different beast. It demands a massive level of personal responsibility. It completely validates that classic tech-savvy purist's mantra, not your keys, not your coins. This path grants you full control and true decentralized ownership. And because you aren't tied to the traditional stock market clock, you get 24/7 liquidity. The crypto market literally never sleeps. But, and this is a big but, this requires absolutely stringent personal cybersecurity. You have to use physical hardware wallets and securely manage your private keys. If you lose your password or misplace your seed phrase, there is no 1-800 customer service number to call. You are facing a very high risk of permanent loss.
All right, Section 3, spot ETFs and simple security.
For a lot of folks, especially near retirees, this path provides absolute relief. Spot ETFs operate under strict financial regulations. They completely 100% eliminate the fear of lost keys or personal wallet hacks because you're relying on regulated, institutional-grade custodians. You literally just log into your normal brokerage app and trade it like a regular stock during standard market hours. It makes for seamless integration into your diversified portfolio. The trade-off you need to know about? Well, you don't hold the physical asset. You are locked into the stock market's opening and closing bells, and you do pay a small ongoing management fee.
Which brings us to Section 4, tax advantages and IRAs.
This is where the strategy really gets fun. When you buy a spot ETF, you can easily slot it right inside an IRA. Just a quick refresher, a traditional IRA uses pre-tax contributions, but you are taxed as ordinary income upon withdrawal. A Roth IRA, on the other hand, uses after-tax contributions, but gives you completely tax-free withdrawals on all your gains. Because Bitcoin has this incredible asymmetric high-growth profile, honestly, somewhat like a venture capital investment, a Roth IRA becomes uniquely powerful. Think about it. If you hit explosive appreciation over a 20-year horizon, every single dollar of that gain comes out completely tax-free during your retirement. If you held actual Bitcoin on a hardware wallet and sold it, you would absolutely be paying capital gains taxes on that profit. And the absolute cherry on top? 0.25%. Before 2024, if you wanted Bitcoin in an IRA, you had to jump through hoops using specialized self-directed crypto IRAs. Sure, they gave you direct ownership, but they could charge up to 1 or 2% annually, plus hefty trading fees. Today, modern spot ETFs like BlackRock's iBet or Fidelity's FBTC offer incredibly low expense ratios, often hovering around 0.25% or even less. For retirement savers, that dramatically reduces the drag on your long-term wealth. It's a game changer.
Section 5, weighing the trade-offs. Let's put this all together.
When we weigh these factors side by side, the contrasts are pretty stark. With ETFs, your ownership is in shares, your security risk is tied entirely to the custodian, and your liquidity is bound to standard stock market hours. You pay expense ratios, but you get incredibly easy IRA integration. Now, flip that to direct ownership. You hold the actual Bitcoin, but your security risk is entirely on your own shoulders with private keys. You do get that sweet 24/7 trading liquidity, and you pay network fees instead of management fees, but your tax reporting becomes significantly more complex to figure out.
Finally, Section 6, Making Your Choice. So, let's summarize all of this into an actionable recommendation. If you're a tech-savvy investor and you are truly comfortable with advanced cybersecurity and managing physical hardware wallets, direct self-custody is your route. It totally fulfills the promise of true, decentralized ownership. But if you are a middle-class household, or really anyone seeking secure, straightforward, tax-advantaged exposure within your existing financial plan, low-fee spot ETFs are the ultimate modern solution. They completely remove the technical anxiety and let you just focus on your long-term retirement strategy.
The approval of these ETFs didn't invalidate direct custody. It just gave us another incredibly powerful tool in the toolkit. Remember, choosing the right path depends entirely on aligning your own technical competence with your long-term financial peace of mind. So the question remains, as digital assets reshape traditional finance, which path will you choose?